Well, I just got this thing out and started cleaning it a little bit. And man, it's a mess. But right there's the bolt that's turning. And we're gonna have to weld that in place. These blades, I mean, they are beat up. That one there looks like a round blade. But as you can see, it's a crummy mess. So we're gonna see what we can do. Well, I think we got her halfway cleaned out. Get a better look at just how messed up a deck can be. And a lot of people would, you know, paint that, but you don't want to do that. It makes it worse. And there's the bolt that's turning, so we're gonna have to weld that so that it quits that. There's a pulley on the other side that's wiggling, and that's what this is all about. But I can't help myself, so wished it all looked nice and pretty like that right there, but it don't. It's pretty much a rust heap. But what we'll do is we'll spray that down with a lubricant, and that will be a lot better than painting it, because paint will make it rust even faster. It's not the prettiest weld in the world, but it's just supposed to hold the bolt. And less welding, the better. So, that won't go nowhere. And we sharpened the blades. Wah, wah, wah. Well, now that we have her done, we sprayed her down with lithium grease in a can. Now, that's a whole lot better than painting. And as some of you have seen it under the hood, wherever there's grease, there ain't no rust. Oil and grease. So hopefully this deck will run very nicely for a long time. Yeah, we welded that up, and that bolt broke that was in there. So we welded a new hole and run a nice heavy duty bolt through there, and we have her battened down and tight. They want to stick this sucker right back on there, and she'll be rip-roaring and ready to go again. The barnyard does it.